Hey everyone, welcome back. Coach Anthony Lane here, powered by Connected Lane. If you're ready to reconnect with your authentic self and build a life that truly lights you up, then you're in the right place. Let's jump right on in. Today, I'm in one of those places to where I just want to chill. I just want to relax. But there's times that I'm super active and I want to jump all the way in and do it. So I want to talk to you about AI. Artificial intelligence, augmented intelligence, just intelligence that is driven from human beings. It is important to adopt it. I was thinking a few days ago and having this conversation with some friends of mine, and where we just talking about just the years, how things have laid out. When people used to do handwriting letters and then move from typewriters, they moved to typewriters. Then they moved from typewriters to computers, and now into this generation of artificial intelligence. A lot of people were against it. They just didn't want to do it. And a lot of people jumped head first off into it, and they did it, they loved it, and they are doing very good in it. It's all about mindset. Where's your mind? I remember having this conversation with my daughter. At that time, she was, I want to say 15 or 16 years old. And I told her to start learning computers. And she was extremely resistant with learning about computers. And it was something, it was already in full swing, but there was something that she just did not want to do. Now, in the position that she does now, she has to use computers. She has to adopt everything about computers. And because the people that she's working with and working for, that's one of their main tools. You have been using artificial intelligence for many, many, many years now. It's called your cell phone or any other technology that you have around your home. And there's certain aspects of it that has been used. Now it is more prevalent, more in your face, in our face, all the things that is going on. So what does this video have to do with you and your self-development, your personal development, your professional development? Let me tell you this. AI is not going anywhere. The handwritten letters, they left. The typewriters left. And learning how to properly use a computer, that is slowly transitioned. Now you can speak your words into a computer. And artificial intelligence is now the next wave of information that's going on. So a lot of those individuals were left behind. Don't be one of those individuals. Because when people get left behind, they get into their feelings, they get into their emotions, they start making up some narrative of what happened. They did this, they did this, they did this. But when we take the initiative and we do things on our own, then we are good to go. I was talking to a young man this past weekend about he's an architect, and I was talking to him about transitioning from what he's doing now and learning more, still staying an architect, stay in that world, but learn how to incorporate artificial intelligence into the work that he's doing. When I had this conversation with him maybe 4 or 5 months ago, he was against it. And now he's starting to see the writing that's on the wall, that this is something that he's really going to have to adapt for himself. Because once you get that knowledge, once you get that experience, then that's something that no one can take anything away from you. But you can take that knowledge, that experience, and either go get you another job, start freelancing, start doing on your own. But you have that knowledge, you have that experience that you can use anywhere, that no one can take anything from you. It's just like the person who you are, the person that you are becoming from the inside. If you know who you are on the inside, there's nothing that an individual can talk to you about on the outside. I remember times when people have, call me arrogant, call me stupid, call me whatever, but those are their words. If I would have adopted their words into my life, then that would have been all on me. It wouldn't have been on anyone else. So you have to adopt whatever you want to adopt into your life, into your whole being, to who you are. My mother is 80 years old. And for years, she did not want to use a cell phone. She was still using a house phone. Now, whenever she makes a call, she uses FaceTime. An 80-year-old woman, she learned how to use FaceTime. And then she said, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. But yet she does. She just does not want to do it. So here we are right now. This whole automation things that are coming all around. What are we going to do with it? You can do it to amplify the tools that you already have. You can help move yourself, your future, your family, whoever you're around, move differently, think differently. But only you have to be willing to make that shift. I would like for you to drop something in a comment that says, how can you use AI? How can you use your own mind shift, your own inner core shift? I don't want you to refuse to evolve. I want you to make this evolution for your life better for you. It's all up to you. If you learn how to partner with other tech experts, such as you can go on YouTube, you can go out. There's so many people that are teaching it right now. So the right moment to do it is now. The right moment to put it into your life is now. You have to do it for yourself. I want you to ask yourself this. Where am I? Why am I holding back to the old systems? Is it out of fear? Is it out of excitement? What is it? How can you open your mind, your body, your soul to adapt to this new technology? And if you are adapting to this new technology, how are you using it? This is not about your old life. This is about who you are now and who you really want to be. If we think about it, my whole time that I've been talking is about becoming the next you. It's about the authentic you, the real you. Who are you becoming? Why are you using AI? Why are you not using AI? And what do you have to say? I had to pause and think there for a few seconds because sometimes I'm very hesitant on doing a lot of things I know that are good for me. And sometimes that I start doing it, I self-sabotage myself for whatever reason to derail me. But now I feel that self-sabotage coming on in some areas, and then I make those adjustments. That has been enough for today. I would like for you to put in the comments, I choose to evolve, and this is why I chosen to evolve. Let me know where you are. Once again, leave a mark down at the bottom if this is comfortable for you. If it's not comfortable for you, then don't do it. I want you to be the authentic you that you can be. It's time for you to wake up for who you can be. I'm Coach Anthony Lane, helping you to connect with the true self of who you are. This is all powered by Connected Lane because everything is connected. I'll see you tomorrow. I want you to enjoy your day. God bless. And I'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.